Hi guys, welcome to know.
Why are you dancing? What are you gonna bake right now?
Chocolate cake and
Chocolate Crinkles. What are you gonna do now, little baker?
I'm making chocolate Crinkles.
Oh, can you show me what do you need to put on it?
This and this and this.
Where is the flour? Can you show mommy the flour?
Yeah.
And what about the white sugar?
Yeah.
And what about the cacao for powder? The chocolate powder? The vanilla essence?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the baking powder? And the 2 eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're gonna bake today.
You.
Now we're gonna put flour.
Yeah.
1 cup of flour, that's it, right? Can you help mommy?
1 or 2 or 5. Mommy, 3 or what?
You're gonna put 3.
No, I'm done, mommy.
Put a little more. You need to have 1 cup flour.
I did already.
So, 1 cup flour from Isabella. We're dancing, dancing, baby, and
Mommy,
dancing.
try to dance, mommy.
Put it here.
Yeah.
So, put it aside. You put 150 grams of sugar.
Let's see.
You need to put 4 of big ones, I guess. So, Isabella made 150 grams.
So I put it.
Yeah, you put it here. So, yeah.
Mommy, 1 egg. We need to put it.
We need to put 2 eggs, babe. So, you're gonna crack 2 eggs now.
1 at a time.
Yeah, 1 at a time. Very good, girl. We need to have the cocoa powder 1/2. We need to have 1/2.
Let's look yet.
Yeah, 1/2 cocoa powder.
Mm.
Put that aside for now.
Mm.
And 1/2 cup cocoa powder. Thank you. And then right now we need to have 1/4 oil.
What do we need for this?
And then right now you're gonna put this here.
Here.
Yeah.
Mommy, I started it now.
Yeah, put it all of it, babe.
Mommy, Annie makes it.
Yeah, you need a mixer. It's there. You get it?
Nice to make
The
it.
silver one.
This is silver. Mommy,
Mommy just use the spatula to put the rest of the oil. And then we need to put vanilla extract with it. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, Bessa.
and Annie put it here. This is chocolate powder. Maybe I could mix it.
So Isabella just finished mixing the baking powder and sifting the cocoa powder. Now you're gonna put the egg mixture. Isabella.
This? Mommy, put it or I'll spill it.
Yeah, we're gonna put it here.
Let me
Use the spatula to
everywhere.
get the remaining mixture
I will
down.
mix it with.
And you're gonna mix it with this.
I will mix it.
Mm. And we need to add all the sugar.
Mommy, here.
Mix it. Tell me if you need help.
We need to be sorry.
Oh,
Mommy,
it's so
we need to also put this white side. Then it's down in
Yeah.
between. In between.
Add flour slowly. Can you add flour slowly? Ooh,
Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's so sweet now. I want to always smell it, Mommy.
You can taste it soon.
Mommy, I want to smell.
Yeah.
I will not eat it. Mommy, I want to smell
Mm.
on my finger. It smells good. I'm going to taste now.
There, you can taste now.
Mommy. No, I got it.
It's okay. You can still eat it. So right now, on top of this, we finished the chocolate crinkles mixture. So we need to get a baking powder and put it on top here, and then put it in the freezer for an hour. And after an hour, we're gonna bake it.
Yum, yum.
So we're gonna put this on top of it.
Mommy,
It's
always
like
gonna
this.
make strawberry Crinkles.
Can we try it next time?
Okay then.
And then we put it in the freezer for an hour. So right now, I was gonna get the mixture from the fridge for an hour. So we're gonna start it and bake it. So Isabella is a bit busy, so actually I'm gonna continuing this, but maybe she'll become in a bit because she's busy with her clay. So right now I'll be using the icing sugar. So we put it here in the bowl. So we need to make this chocolate Kringle mixture. So we see, we're gonna remove it. No one stick on it. Nothing stick on it. It's just so little. So I'm gonna get a spoon and make it circle, and then we put it here. So we will gonna coat it with the icing sugar, and then after put it in here in the baking pan, or baking pan, put it 2 inches apart, because after we put everything, we need to press it a little bit down so it will gonna flatten a little, and it's ready for baking. And use this to get it here. See? Much more easy. And then roll it here. So you have one now. I just washed my hands before I started, because I was just playing clay with Isabella and she's a bit busy right now. And this is the finished product. And put it down here. And we do the same as the rest. Right now, me and Isabella finished rolling them and coating them with icing sugar, and we have 16 Crinkles right now. So we want to bake it for around 6 to 10 minutes, but actually I always do 10 minutes, so it will be soft and really a la cake look and taste really good. To be baked with 350 degrees preheated oven. And we put it in now for 10 minutes, and we're gonna see the finished product. Oops! I forgot to press them a little with your 2 fingers before putting it in. So, ready to go in. Set the timer for 10 minutes.
Mommy,
It's finally finished.
Mommy, look there. Mommy,
So the cookies is really done, the chocolate Crinkles. Look at it. It's really warm, Bella.
yes. Please subscribe to my channel.